Hi there, in this video we are going to be adding an aftermarket antenna to an aftermarket head unit because it's not playing nicely to the one inside this Skoda Octavia 2 facelift, but then again this car doesn't have its original antenna anymore. It has one from a Golf or something, so it's a shark fin antenna. Anyway, something's fishy. This isn't receiving radio stations as it should. So let's pop this out. I want to see if I have access behind this just through here. I don't want to get this whole thing out. So I just need some of these things. Start putting them in here and prying away at this. Just clips all around. Most likely from the front it will pop out and it kind of slides like this. I think in the back it has something that goes under the dash. Yep, exactly as I remembered, and now this thingy is off. I'm not even going to remove the wires, I just want to see. I don't think I have room from here. I'm going to investigate a bit better. I can see all the wires, but there's the big plastic in there. This is the antenna that I want to put in. It's a simple no-name antenna from China. Mixed reviews, some say works perfectly, others say does nothing. I tried to search for a proper one from some reputable brand, no success. So yeah, there's that. Well, again, it was cheap. I'm going to test and see what happens. But for the moment, I'm not able to pull out the, where are you? The original cable. It's that one right there. I pulled it slightly, but now it seems the antenna is somehow stuck in there. And you can see on my hand, it's not easy to reach. So I am wiggling and moving and pulling, but it came out a bit and then it got stuck. So this is gonna be fun. Yeah, while I was pulling and pushing on that thing, this started to come out. So I decided, yeah, you want out, come out, so I can unplug that. Unplugged the old antenna. It's not directly the antenna from the car. It has one module, you can see it there with some white on it, but it's just not cooperating with what the car has, because this module connects into the car antenna. It's weird, so I'm going to directly plug this thing in. It's a simple antenna and let's see if it works or not. Antenna is now plugged in. I'm going to do some trials with it plugged in, unplugged, and tell you if it actually does something or not. Thrown it way down there when it doesn't get a good signal. Unplugged it. I will not leave this long for copyright reasons, but listen when I plug it in. If I could actually do it with one hand. So unplugged, plugged in. Okay. But at the same time, the old one still works, so yeah, I don't know. After extended testing, this actually does work as an antenna, but it doesn't work better than what was already here. So it seems that that was actually working enough. My father said it's not receiving stations, but I'm testing and it is receiving a few in this particular area. I wouldn't expect it to get more than that, so yeah, no freaking clue. Both of them seem to be doing exactly the same thing, so probably the old one remains in, but yeah, in theory you would leave it, plug it in, find a way to attach it somewhere on your dash to get as best of a signal as possible, and yeah, that would be it. Tested even more. This was able to get one more station than what's already there, barely, when it was in this top position, something like this. I tried to make sure that it was not just my hand, so I let it like this. It was still getting that. But if I would unplug this, what's in there would still keep the station and it will sound normally. So this had just a bit more receiving power than what's already there. And my father decided he doesn't want to be bothered putting this in the car if the included one works almost the same. But yeah, this was a tiny bit better. Just a tiny bit. Nope, this is future me, and I realized that actually once I put everything back in, reception actually drops with what was already in the car. So no bueno. I actually need to install the antenna. Everything comes out once again, because why wouldn't it? And we'll route the cable quite quickly because it's a bit cold outside. So, glued the antenna right here. I'm going to tuck this behind the headliner all the way through there, then go around that and on the outside come down. And then from there, under everything, and I'll pop out behind this. And it's done, hidden all the way through here, coming through here, going under this, and down this side all the way here. And here I'm going to route it down, and I think I see a hole right there, and it's going to be coming. You maybe see a different cable right here. It will come right next to that one. Camera focus please, and go to the radio unit. And I've came with the cable through here. The old cable is out, so where is it? Not doing anything anymore. I will see how I can let it in there without making noise. New cable is in here, and I can just slide this back, and we should have better radio reception with a really cheap antenna. And that's about it. This is my test station. Before it wasn't recognizing it, like it wouldn't be there. Now if I go on auto, it sees it. So this antenna receives better than what was already there, and it's just that little thingy there that doesn't bother me at all. You can almost not see it from the front because of this paint mesh. It's perfect. So yeah, hope this video helps you. Come on, lower the volume. In which case, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel, it helps a lot, and see you in the next one. Bye.